Hello again, YouTube viewers and creators. Going to kick this video off with a bit of an update. Got some sticker swaps sorted out, so I'm going to get some of these on the board. First one I got from Thomas Babcock, the garage. Nice little note and a sticker. Following him on Instagram and been watching him quite recently on YouTube as well. Well worth a look. Pop over and have a look. Just going to point out for my mate Richard Bennett, he's up there and he's looking really good, mate. Next up, you may have seen the other video where I was involved with the Maker Showdown. Got a note and a sticker swap from Dave at Dave G Designs. He sent us a nice little, bring it a bit closer for you, Maker Showdown keyring, which I'm going to pop up there. And his sticker. Get that up. Had a lot of fun taking part in the Maker Showdown. Check out the video. I did a pirate chest card box, and Richard made laminated card and wood box with a lovely little lined interior. Also check out the other builds on Maker Showdown on Dave G Designs channel. Next up, I also got some stickers from Matt Makes Mess. That's his channel sticker. And he also sent me a Jack of all trades sticker. Let's find him a place on the board. Next up, I got a sticker swap from Doug over at Pole Barn Productions. If you like your wood turning, this is definitely a channel you want to go and check out. Does a lot of work with wood and resin turnings, etc. Some fantastic stuff. Let's get him on the board. I will put links to all of the people with the sticker swaps below, and if you get a chance, go over, check them out. If you like what you see, give them a sub. Been having a tidy up around the lathe area this week. Finally managed to get the wall painted a little bit, started rearranging the shelves a touch, done away with most of the shelves above the lathe, and I was given two cupboards which weren't any good for the purpose that they were supposedly fulfilling, but they're fantastic for me. It just gives me somewhere to pop on my turning clobber, sanding sealer and bits and pieces, and just tidies the whole thing up a little bit. But hopefully with the inclusion of the white paint, it should make my videos a little bit easier, because I do struggle to get a lot of light in that corner. If you fancy a sticker swap, let me know through YouTube or Instagram, Facebook, whatever, and we'll get it sorted. Another nice bit of news this week. Checked my channel out and I'm on 289 subscribers. Not long to go to my 300 subscribers milestone. I'm over the moon about that. I'm just trying to come up with something that's good for a 300 subscriber giveaway. Watch this space.